In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design gradient poster in Canva. If you've ever wanted a vibrant modern poster that pops with smooth color transitions, you're in the right place. We'll keep this simple and beginner-friendly, and by the end, you'll have a polished gradient design ready to use. First, once you're in Canva, head straight to templates. This is your shortcut to professional layouts, and it saves a ton of time compared to starting from a blank page. Templates also help you understand good spacing, color balance, and hierarchy without needing to design from scratch. Next, in the search bar, type gradient poster. This tells Canva exactly what you're after and pulls up designs already built around gradients. You'll see a variety of styles: soft pastel blends, bold neon fades, and everything in between. If you're creating something specific, like an event poster or a promo, notice how different templates handle headlines, subheadings, and imagery so you can choose a structure that fits your message. Now take a moment to browse through the template options. Look at color palettes that match your theme, check the overall layout, and imagine your own text in place of the sample copy. Pay attention to readability. High contrast text on a gradient is key for clarity. Hover over a design or click to preview it larger so you can get a feel for spacing and typography. Remember, every element is customizable, so focus more on the general look and layout than the exact words or images. When you find one you like, click Customize this template. Canva will open the design in the editor, ready for you to personalize. This puts all the design tools at your fingertips while keeping the structure you selected. From here, you can edit the template to fit your needs. Click the background or gradient element to adjust colors. Try picking a primary brand color and a complementary shade for a smooth blend. If the gradient is an image, you can replace it with another gradient asset from Elements, or tweak it using the built-in controls. Double-click the text to change your title, details, and call to action. Experiment with fonts that are clean and readable. Adjust size, weight, and spacing to make your headline stand out. If you add icons or photos, make sure they don't fight the gradient. Reducing transparency or using a subtle shape behind text can improve contrast. Keep edges aligned, maintain generous margins, and preview frequently to ensure everything feels balanced. That's it. Templates, search gradient poster, browse, customize, and edit to make it yours. Enjoy designing.